Good morning, kids. I hope you all are safe and sound. Today's topic is preposition. Children, a preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with another word in a sentence. Children, the words on, in, under, behind, and near show the relation of one thing to another. Such words are called prepositions. Look at the following sentences. The book is on the table. The word on shows the relation between the book and the table. The egg is in the plate. The word in is shows the relation between the egg and the plate. The dog is under the tree. Children, here in this sentence, the word under shows the relation between the dog and the tree. The hen is behind the gate. And here the word behind shows the relation between the hen and the gate. The man is near the car. Children, the word near shows the relation between the man and the car. Now, to understand the concepts more clearly, look what these cats are doing. The cat is sitting on the table. The cat is sitting near the bed. The cat is sitting in the basket. The cat is sitting beside grandmother. The cat is sitting between two boxes. The cat is standing in front of the door. The cat is sitting under the chair. The cat is hiding behind the curtain. Children, on, near, in, beside, between, in front of, under, behind are such words known as preposition. And to understand the concept more clearly, let's do another activity. Rahul's dad forgot his glasses here and there. Where are dad's glasses? Let us find them. Where are the glasses? In the basket, on the chair, under the pillow, between the books. And here, in, on, under, between are the preposition words. Children, prepositions tell the position of something or someone. Let us learn some more prepositions. Look at the following sentences. Bring water for me. Do not write with a pen. The clock is between the window and the painting. Children, for, with, and between are the preposition. I hope you have understood the concept of the preposition. Thank you.